So we have 3,281 miles on a 2021 Softail Slim. They stopped making these this year, and this one has basically everything stock: the breather, solo seat, dual exhaust with the crosstalk, floorboards, and the 107 Milwaukee-Eight engine. It's quite torquey with the 107, and you'll feel that and rely quite a lot on the breech bars that are put on there. A little bit of a wider front end and a sturdier fork. The Showa suspension will provide great comfort for you. The LED headlight provides a lot of great visibility, and the Brembo brakes plenty of safety. The spoked wheels provide plenty of style, while the most of blacked out features allow you to relax while on the road, not having to worry about cleaning up all the chrome, and with just enough chrome to shine in the day. Of course, it is belt driven, 6-speed transmission. And a 5-gallon tank. That's hitting the middle. This tank sits a little lower, and in general the whole bike sits quite low, with the lowest seat height in Harley-Davidson lineup, with 23.6 inches on the seat height. There's also a dipstick for the transmission that they've added in there in the recent years. There's a cable clutch operation as well, and it's a very simple analog display, very minimal digital display as well, showing a fuel gauge up at the top. I'll zoom in here. Showing a fuel gauge up at the top. What is going on? There we go. Fuel gauge up top. If full, it'll show a full bar here. Of course, mileage, trip A and B, range, and clock, as well as RPM is available. This beauty is ready for a new owner with very low mileage. They're waiting for you to take it on a test ride today.